Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI Nova Y91 to an Android device. You need to begin by opening App Gallery on HUAWEI and Play Store on an Android. Following that, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Now you need to get this app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Following that, you need to set it up. In order to do that on HUAWEI, choose I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. On an Android though, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. In this pop-up, you need to choose Not Now if you want to, close it by hitting OK, and then select Close in this way at the top, After that, select Send at the bottom left corner of HUAWEI and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, tap on Yes I agree or No thanks. This way you will decide what to do with your ads. Now select Close this window. And finally, use all of those categories located at the top of HUAWEI to choose all of your files to transfer. When you finish, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom, and then click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Nextly, decide which connection way you need to use. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Select while using the app or only this time to allow camera access, and then point your Android's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers before they expire, and then click on Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my pictures were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!